Good morning, everyone. Dr. Victoria Skirbo here, speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation Healing Center in Wareham, Massachusetts. Today is Wednesday, April 5th, and the moon is in Libra. Today we have a supportive connection to Mercury and Saturn. This is a waxing sextile, which opens the lines of communication. It's a good day to organize things, organize your mind. Get all your information together, perhaps. This is a good aspect for getting those last minute tax things together. We also have today a conjunction between the Sun and Chiron. This conjunction happens just before the full moon in Aries. For some people, that full moon is going to be happening later tonight, and for some of us, it's happening early tomorrow morning. But that full moon is awareness along the axis of relationship. With Chiron there, we have an opportunity to see the problems that need to be looked at, that perhaps need to be healed and resolved. But we get a good view of the issue, I think we could say, with this combination. And of course, with the moon in Libra, we're trying to be fair. We're trying to see things from both sides of an issue, and so utilizing your intelligence and your patience and your understanding will go a long way today to actually fix problems that may have sort of been sitting around for a while, and we have an opportunity to actually resolve some of those. All right, so today we have, yesterday was a beautiful sunny day. I think it might have reached 70 at one point, and today it is overcast and windy and damp and cold, and I believe there's a storm coming. So welcome to New England, folks. One day to the next, you never quite know. But things continue to grow. The grass continues to get greener, and things are popping up, because the only thing that's brave enough right now still is the daffodils. That's why I stayed on the daffodils for you. Oh, look, we do have some little flowers here on the grass. Little white flowers. Wow, it's cool when the wind blows, it looks like. No, it's like they're dancing a jig. Okay, looking for the beauty where you can find it. All right, guys, have yourself a wonderful day. Like and subscribe if you would. Let's see, you can check out Moonshine on Ona's channel. We spent about a half hour talking about this full moon of today or tomorrow, depending on where you are. And as always, have a wonderful day. Namaste.